friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Renuka and today we will do the flip through of this album. I will talk along and tell more about my supplies, how my idea works, but if you don't want to listen talking to me, you can just mute me and listen your favorite music. So let's start. I created this while doing the photo school project, and but I just want to create I always want to do the stuff with my own take, my own knowledge, and then I decided the main idea here, it's not mine, is the spine that it created. You can see the spine is quite a big, and inside that everyone has their different idea that how they're gonna use it. Okay, so this is the spine. This is a quite big. I can still add something in the spine. I have still a scope. So this is my front, and this is also my front. So both the sides I make very kind of, you know, attractive and eye-catchy. These tokens have some kind of saying that believe in me and yourself. I created this token in one of the project. So my main idea of this project is I want to put all your cousins this is my kid, so his brother and sisters and cousins inside it. So these are the few fabric laces I have. I created this collage. I put all this stuff. Now this one I use this glossy accent. I loved it. It covered the photo. Now it's like full nice. If you, while using your glossy accents, you will get bubble, just pin them and pop out them, and that will go the final way. Now there are so many stuff I added, like these ones, little keys, these flowers, the small buttons, and he's really my word. So this is his pictures, and then I add stitching and few lace. On the back side, she's a girl and she's my family member. All of these kids are my family member. As I told you, the main idea is all my kids' cousins here. And this butterfly, and this is avocado dyed fabric. This one is the another thing where I kind of create a moon, the black moon, and it's kind of different thing, and it's behind thing. Then I add these small tangles, lots of stitching all around. This photo is quite fun for me when he make this kind of hairstyle when he was a very small kid, maybe few year or month, I don't remember. I think he's like 8 or 9 months old, and then he's always be happy kid. He hardly cry. He's very nice kid with me. And then this one I put it blank. So this one for the future kids which came, I gonna put their pictures here. And this is just one kind of mark making technique I did. This one is from the watercolor stencils. I do the stitching, zigzag stitching. This one is the new one. I add few circles here, so it's like fun thing. I'm teaching the other stuff, so I remove those, but these are the circles kind of stuff which I can add with the just a pen, and I can remove them or put them again, something like that. That is the main idea here. And on the back side also I can put these or photos, anything will do, or I can just put these two all together just like that. So one side this, one side this. This I punched the hole, and I have that scrap, so I decided to use that on this scrappy paper. And there is a one peacock feather. I created this hat for him. Add few things. I use the fabric markers on this. This one is chain stitch, this one is blanket stitch. These are simple running stitches, and I add few stickers. Basically he add the stickers. He love the stickers on this side. Now whenever I have extra thread, I don't cut it, I just add these kind of bits, and I really loved it. These are twins, and you can see I add the funky stuff on their eyeglasses. This paper we created in the photo school. So yeah, but this one is the Hero Arts kit that came the stamp with it, and I create one book with that. Maybe you can see on my channel, and then I just send it to someone else. This is also a project where that embossing, and this is fabric paper collage. Again, these pins. So this is my own creation. Nobody teach me how to do it. I just love to incorporate such kind of fun stuff, small stuff in it, and that's why I did it. Way before that, I created this kind of heart shape and create a full wall display for my husband. So yeah, this is my mother and my aunt, and I just put this inside just like that. I use most of the Posca pens and some glitters, and you can see I colored their dresses, and I want to make it very colorful. I really like the colors. Again, the same tab. Here I make some things blank so that I have like scope to grow. This one I created all these tags on the channel. If you want to see the watercolor tags, you will get many of these in the channel, and then the same watercolor paper. And this, I love these fabric. These are like batiks in India's traditional batik fabrics. And then this tag, there is nothing in this tag. I just want to something add, and I'll add afterwards. Again, these some small doodles I do, some caps, hats, and laces, and these are the die cuts. And look at my kids, they're so happy. Again, the things I add this doily, such add more stuff, fun stuff. Again, same stencil. Then this one is the pocket, then some of the extra papers. I love to add these kind of charms. It's so beautiful to see them and feel them and touch them. This is more tactile kind of stuff, like you can finger your like finger goes on it, and it's like more. So I am the crafter. I have so many stuff. So I have these kind of sayings, some things. Again, fabric caster. This I just pin all the threads I have left over and just glue them all together and make some kind of fabric collage here. um, and then I use Posca paints also in this paper collage. And here you can see all the kits are in black and white. Again, a watercolor tags. I love watercoloring. I do watercolor so many times. Again, a tag. And this one I created. I want to create these more. Maybe I'll create while I'm traveling. I don't have the plain fabric, so I can use these kind of felt sheets to make these. Those will be more sturdy and easy to handle while doing this slow stitching. Maybe circles and circles will work for me. These are kits. These two girls are very close to my heart, and you can see after doing here the stitch, I just extend it. The stitch is blanket stitch every time, but I just extend it to get more stuff. Here I attach some fabric. On other side also I have some butterflies, fabrics, and flowers. So many things. I use so much paper from here and there. The lace, again this beads, and on this side I just add again these beads, these key, and I just add these. I have few photos of him, so I just want to add these ones. Sometimes it's really nice to have photos black and white when all the colors are popping, like this one, his glasses and this stuff. I put the shimmery watercolors here also, so that shimmer adds the beautiful touch to it. And I just tuck this inside and I hang it over, and anybody come they want to see, they can just flip through it. And I really love this one. This is really close to my heart. Sometimes I don't want to spend much on the project because sometimes you feel that is it worthy, but for this project it's total worthy. My kid told me that he will have this all his life. He want to show this to his grandchildren. Yes, sometimes he's so funny. So yeah, so I put so much efforts in that, and still you can see that I have so much room to grow. So where I will add more stuff and more photos of these kids, and this is always close to my heart. And whenever I feel little bit down, I can just go through them and see all of these smiling faces, and it gives me so much joy and happiness in my heart. So make something like that for yourself. Don't worry how much time it's gonna take. Don't worry what people said, that why you are wasting this time in so much one project. It just for you, it just for you, some things are just for you. So this is the simple flip through, and I hope you enjoyed and got inspired to do something like this. So until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye and take care.